Guys, and this is your BPK Beyblade TV, and for today, it's another good day to unbox the bay. So this is part 3 of our unboxing. So this bay will be, you know what it is, it's black shell. Here we go. So guys, before I unpack this bay, like and subscribe for more videos so that you can watch our news videos here. And link in the description below. So now, this is black shell. Let's open it up. So, I don't know why, guys, but I think that SB brands are better than MQ and Flame at the same time. I don't know. It's just my opinion. If you don't get it, it's just okay. So here it is. That is a very beautiful design. So this is BX-35 Bay. It's black shell. It's pretty solid. It's a solid defense type Bay. When attacking it, it's actually super roundish bay. Look at that design. That thing is very cool. So this is it. So this is 460. It's a pretty good one, but you know what I mean. In my opinion, this is not the best ratchet ever. You know what I mean. So this is the bit. It's pretty cool. It has little spikes. It doesn't focus. Wait, let me focus. Yeah, it can't see it much normally because the specs are very small, but it's very beautiful, guys. So let's put them all on. Oh, it's pretty hard. Oh, wow. Is this how easy it is? Oh yeah, that it is. Okay, it's now locked in, and is the bay itself. Let's try it with a heavy hitter bay. So this is a defense type Beyblade. So let's get started. We will have a chest bell. Man, I'm a bit scared in this fight because this fight maybe will break the bay, but you know, let's get started. So this is Shark Edge, as you can see, and this is Black Shell. Guys, I will just, you know, test its defense if that's really strong or it's just, you know, in their own. So let's do it. I'm a first launch this way. He doesn't look good in this video. Oh, damn. Oh my goodness. Well, guys, thank you for watching, and that is very funny. So this is Black Shell 460 bit. This is very cool. So guys, he did his job as a defense type, but I guess it didn't work well. So well, it's a bit cool. So guys, bye bye, see you soon.